You know, in today's business world, if you're standing still, you're actually falling behind. But how do companies really truly evolve? Today, we're going to break down the strategy of a company called Career Samrat, a company that's all about one thing: unlocking a business's true potential through transformation.
So, let me ask you this. In this crazy digital age, what actually drives growth? It sounds simple, right? But the old playbook, it's kind of obsolete. Having a slick website or one viral post, well, it's just not enough anymore. The real winners are making a fundamental shift in their DNA, how they operate, how they think, and how they connect. So, what's the secret sauce?
Well, the answer, or at least a really compelling one, comes from this forward-thinking IT company out of India. Let's talk about Career Samrat. They were basically founded to answer that very question, to guide businesses through this new, and let's be honest, often chaotic digital world.
Okay, so their whole thing is digital transformation. But let's be clear, this isn't just a buzzword for, installing the latest software. Think way bigger. We're talking about a complete overhaul of how a company works, its culture, and the experience it gives its customers. And it's all designed for one purpose: to evolve and to stay ahead of the curve.
So, to really get what makes a company like this tick, you have to look beyond the code and the services. You have to find their why, that core mission that drives every single decision they make. And here it is, right from the horse's mouth. I mean, look how simple that is. There's no corporate jargon, no fluff, just three really powerful commitments. But don't mistake that simplicity for a lack of depth. These words aren't just a motto. They're literally a framework for how they operate. See, it's not just a nice sentence. It's practically their workflow. It all starts with delivering excellence. That's the bedrock, the non-negotiable foundation. From there, they move on to inspire innovation, to really push the boundaries. And the final crucial step? Building lasting value, which turns a one-time project into a real long-term competitive advantage for their clients. All right, so that's the why, a really solid mission. But, a mission without a method, it's just a nice idea, right? So how does Career Samrat actually turn these words into reality? Well, it all comes down to their unique structure. Okay, so here we see a problem that is, honestly, super common in business: silos. In most companies, you've got the tech team over here, marketing over there, design somewhere else, and it all leads to fragmented results. Career Samrat's solution is to just tear down those walls. They integrate all these experts from day one, making sure everyone is working from the exact same blueprint. And this is what that dream team looks like in practice. When you put developers, designers, marketers, and strategists all in the same room, you get more than just a product. You get technology that's also beautiful, that's marketable, and that's strategically brilliant. That fusion of left brain logic and right brain creativity is their unique how. It's their secret weapon. Okay, so we've got the powerful mission, we've got the smart team setup, but what does a client actually get out of all this? Let's get into the practical what, the actual solutions they deliver. And what's really cool is who they work with. They don't just chase the big fish or focus only on the tiny, nimble startups. Their passion is for helping businesses of all sizes, which really proves that their whole model is built to be flexible and scalable. This approach lets them serve the entire business ecosystem. I mean, think about it. Startups need to move fast and be agile. Small and medium businesses, the backbone of the economy, they need to scale efficiently. And massive enterprises, they demand solutions that are robust and absolutely bulletproof. By adapting to each one, they prove their model isn't one size fits all. It's more like one size fits one. So, we've looked at their mission, their method, and their market. Let's pull it all together and answer the most important question of all. Why does this whole idea of unlocking potential matter so much right now? And this, right here, brings us to the key takeaway. Career Samrat isn't just another IT provider. There's a huge difference. A provider sells you a service. A partner invests in your success. By combining that mission-driven approach with a deeply integrated team, they become something so much more valuable, a true transformation partner. Which leaves us with the final, crucial question. And it's not just for their clients, it's for any business today. In an age of constant change and disruption, are you truly ready to unlock your full potential? It's both a challenge and, well, a massive opportunity. That's all for this explainer. Thanks for watching.